Thank you. Thank you for introducing me. Hello, everyone. My name is Sampath Rani. I'm from Hyderabad. I'm a teacher, speaker, author, and a life coach. Thank you very much for inviting me to this event, the Global Business Leadership Online Summit and Awards 2020. What could be a better topic to begin with other than how has been so far with this lockdown and this change across this planet? That's a beautiful topic that each and every person across the top globe might have been thinking day in and day out, and must be talking about it, discussing about it, and looking what's the best thing one could do at this time. Coming from a background of science education, I've done my MSc in biomedical sciences from UK, and then I did my diploma in child education and applied psychology, bachelor's in education and science. Being spirituality a passion, I got into this field of coaching people, uplifting them at any stage of their life. So the last year when I participated in the similar kind of event, I was speaking, I met this group live physically. So the topic which I was revolving was about spirituality and science. And the same thing I would be revolving even now when it comes in terms of the changes that planet is going through at this moment in time, and how that has affected or helped me in uplifting my own knowledge, and how I have been imparting the similar thing to the people that I'm coming across. People come to me with the various reasons, be it education, be it relationship, be it mental health, be it physical health, any part, any areas of their life. And how have I been dealing with them when there has been a lockdown? For me, this lockdown has come as an opportunity to be a very, honestly speaking, this has come out as an opportunity for me. Earlier, I used to book a hall to conduct my workshops. I used to go in search of a hall and then pay them and then arrange food for them and then give people would come to know what do I do. I used to advertise through mouth to mouth, through online, Facebook, whatever. Now the best part is I had my workshop on March 22nd, and I went ahead and blocked my business room in Banjara Hills, and everything was sorted. And the same day, it was declared as a pandemic. I mean, it's a lockdown. So I do not know what to do next. I have all my participants waiting for the workshop. They are lined up in my WhatsApp group. And I'm not really prepared for an online workshop because I never thought that this would be the condition. So I gave myself 15 days of time. I educated myself about this online system. I explored through various applications, and Zoom seemed to be very comfortable. And all the workshops which I had were physically built. All the printouts and the activities, group activities, whatever were there, we used to do while we were physically available under one roof. Now, how do I create the same atmosphere being on the computer? That was a challenge for me. So I took some time and I created workshops, I created my manuals, and now I am well versed, I can say, and I'm going ahead very well. And people are having the similar kind of breakthroughs. When we are putting them into certain activities, they have breakdowns, they have breakthroughs. There's a transformation happening under the roof. Now, the similar kind of thing happens when I do the workshop online as well. So this is really worked fantastic for me. And it's The last when I spoke during that 2019 award ceremony, I was just talking about existence of single cellular organisms millions of years ago. There existed only single cellular organisms, and now, due to evolution, we are into an era where it's all multifunctional, multicellular, functional organisms we are. So it took millions of years to reach to this stage. And how did that happen? It's all because of the change. We There is a change every time on this planet. And how do we get adapted to this change? That really matters here. The one who adapts to this change, he grows. The one who gets used to this change, he takes this as an opportunity, he grows. And when we talk about the growth, there is an evolution. So opportunity, for every instance, when we take this as an opportunity, there's always a growth. And the best thing that I came up was last year I launched my book, the co-authored book, 12 Secrets of Law of Attraction, during the similar kind of program with FGDI. And the good news is I could complete my book, The Doorway to Your Dreams, and I feel so privileged to display this book during this grand event. This again talks about meditation to manifestation. So I revolve around this topic, spirituality and science, how meditation can help one and all to stay stable, to stay connected, and how best we can come up during any situations that may be in our personal life, in our professional life, anything. So this has been my journey so far, and I have learned personally myself. I've upgraded myself to this online skills, and I've created my workshops. I completed my book, and this is number one bestsellers in the Amazon cart now. And I have a lot of clients which are they are having the similar kind of breakthroughs online. So what could I ask more other than this? Because when you take things as an opportunity, everything lines up. So I have full satisfaction what I am doing wherever I am now. Earlier, we used to travel in cab to reach the venue. I remember Zia, he said, people, please come on time. We have delegates from other countries. They have been waiting. So we don't have to wait now. We are sitting in our own place at the comforts of our home. And then we are connecting everybody globally at the single time. So what could be more better than this? So everything comes as an opportunity. It depends how you take the things and how you grab this opportunity into your life. So everything is lining up. So I just wish everybody good luck, and let us all stay connected and learn from each other's. Some might be good at something, and so I'm willing to learn from so many here. And what do I say? It's my pleasure to be here, connecting with so many people across the globe. Thank you so much, Anika. Thank you all, dear friends, for listening to my story. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Sampath. It's always a pleasure to listen to you because such a great amount of positivity you have whenever you talk. And about your book, I loved your book. I have seen your book. I have read few pages. I'll not lie, but it's amazing, and it's always a pleasure to have you.